If you are struggling with how to create design in Corel Draw without background color, all right, this video puts you through on how to do that in easy steps. Okay, look at this design here. The background color here is white, okay? And I want to use this for on a product on print on demand store. So I don't want it to be saved with this background color. Look at how we are going to do it. First is to click on the File tab, which is the first tab on Corel Draw. On clicking on that, you will see some options. All right, select Export. Then you'll be taken to this page showing you the file name and the save as type. All right, JPEG is selected here, but I don't want this to be saved in JPEG. I want it to be in PNG. All right, so I will click here. All right, and then select PNG option. Then the next step is to click on OK. On this new page, you will see transparency is selected. What this means is that this is going to be saved without any background color attached to it. So if this is deselected from your ends, please click on this box for it to be selected just like this. And the next step is to click on OK. And because I'm accessing Corel Draw on the web, this is now downloaded into my PC without background color.